Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix you are currently not connected to any network on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are already connected to any network and it's showing you are currently not connected to any network, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here control panel. Click on this control panel. In this you can see here network and internet. Click on this. Then click on network and sharing center. In left side you will find change adapter setting. Click on that. After that, if you are using Wi-Fi, just right click on your Wi-Fi. If you are using internet through cable, you can just right click on this. Once you have to just disable it and right click on that and click on enable. After that, just close this window and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then click on this search menu again, then type here CMD. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Here you need to type ipconfig space /flush DNS. Then hit enter. After completion of this first command, type the second command, that is netsh space winsock space reset. Then hit enter. After completion of this, you have to just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix you are currently not connected to any network on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.